Hi! In front of me is TCL Tab 10 Gen 2, and today I would like to show you how you can disable Google Passwords Autofill. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Google section. Then tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and blue switcher next to Use Autofill with Google. So when I do that, as you can see, Google Autofill was successfully disabled. But you can always enable it by clicking on the same, now gray switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!